Greetings, Felix Fortuna, just caveman living in a modern cave. And as caveman, we notice patterns in the night sky, and tonight we're talking about some more of them. This is Pegasus, the winged horse, also called the Great Square of Pegasus. This would be Andromeda, and her head would be this star, which means the navel of the horse. In this image, of course, Pegasus, and this star, Nf, is called the nose of the horse. And you can see the little front legs here. This is Pisces, which frame the Great Square. As we can see from this image with the Great Square of Pegasus, its front legs, its nose. Pisces, of course, frames the Great Square with Andromeda together because they don't have them neat little houses. And this one, this is Pegasus, and this is the two fish, Pisces, which lead into Cetus. But you can see here the winged horse, Pegasus. And this one here is a little better with the Great Square and Pisces. But the Great Square is also the first acre from Mesopotamia. It's the first plowed field that Bootes uses the great plow and the bull of heaven to make the first irrigated field, the first acre. As we see in this image with Bootes stretching his hand out to use the great plow. And we know Bootes does this with the great plow because Bootes is also named the plowman of the heavens. And when Odysseus in the Odyssey travels to the underworld, he meets Achilles and he asks Achilles what he thinks about being where he is. And Achilles answers he would rather be the plowman to the poorest person on earth than where he was. So we know he's the plowman, using it on the Great Square. And in Mesopotamia, the ribbons of the Pisces were known as rivers, and they were called Tigris and Euphrates, and they led into the first irrigated field that Bootes used to plow and the bull of heaven. And you can see the exit of the water running out the irrigated field. So thanks, look into this. This is so great, interesting, thanks. And I almost forgot this. Pegasus was born after Perseus killed the Gorgon, Medusa, and the blood of Medusa birthed two creatures. One was Pegasus, the winged horse. The other was the Chrysaor, who was a giant warrior with golden hair. So that's some more cool stuff that I almost forgot about. Thanks again.